Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose the type of content on YouTube Kids. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. And at the top of the screen you can see four icons. There is a popcorn, which is the shows. If you tap on the musical note, then it shows you the music on YouTube Kids. If you tap on the light bulb, then you can see the learning videos. And finally, if you tap on the arrows, then you can see the explore content on YouTube Kids. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!